Okay, hello.
Hello.
Yes, where are you? I can't see you. Oh, hello.
Hello.
Okay, so can you hear Teacher Kai?
Yeah,
Yes, okay. Wow. So how are you today?
I'm good.
Wow, that's very good of you. So before we start our class, can you introduce yourself? Do you know how to introduce yourself?
Huh?
Okay, for example, Teacher Kai is going to introduce. Okay, hello. My name is Teacher Kai and I will be your teacher for today. How are you? What is your name?
My name is Tung Lam.
Okay, and how old are you, Tung Lam?
I'm 10 years old.
Okay, you're 12 years old. Okay, so where do you live? Teacher Kai
10
lives in
years, 10 years old.
Oh, 10 years old. I'm sorry. So you're 10 years old. So where do you live? Do you live in Vietnam? Where are you? Okay, Teacher
Yes,
Kai is Philippines. Tung Lam is from where
Vietnam.
Okay, you're from Vietnam. Okay, where's your video? I don't see you. Okay, so do not turn off your camera so I can. Okay, there you are. So, who's the what is your background? Can I see your background, Tung Lam? Okay. Oh, is that Son Goku?
Yes,
Oh, he is in a Super Saiyan.
yeah,
Do you like Son Goku?
yes.
Okay. Can you tell Teacher Kai why do you like Son Goku?
Uh,
Oh, it's different now. Can I see who's that? Can you show Teacher Kai? Wow. So why do you like Son Goku?
uh, because,
Because
hmm,
Okay, I'm waiting. Why? Why do you like Son Goku?
because, because,
Okay, because what? Because he is powerful?
yeah.
Okay, what else? Tell me. Oh, okay. So Teacher Kai is waiting. Can you tell me more about Son Goku?
Huh?
Oh, wow, you like anime. Okay, I see. So now, now Tung. Okay, can I call you Tung? How do you like to How do you like Teacher Kai to call you?
I don't like spicy food.
Okay. How do you like Teacher Kai to call you? Can I call you Tung?
No,
No. Okay. What? How do you like Teacher Kai to call you?
love.
Lam. Okay. So Lam, let's read the title, please. Let's read. That is.
Uh,
Okay. Tung 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 sahur. Okay, I don't like.
I don't like spicy food.
Okay, so this word is read as spicy. Okay, again, spicy. Hello?
Spicy.
Okay,
Hello.
okay, that is spicy. Do you know what is spicy?
Yes.
Okay. So can you tell teacher Kai, spicy, is it sweet? Or is it hot? Okay, which one is spicy? Sweet or what? How do you taste spicy?
Um,
Oh, okay. Teacher Kai is still waiting, Lam. Okay. Do you like spicy food?
no.
Okay. Why?
Because I don't like.
Oh, just because you don't like. Okay. So let's start with this first picture, Lam. Okay. What can you see in this picture? What can you see in this picture?
Uh, Cherry.
Okay, it's Timmy. Okay, what else? What is happening in this picture?
Um, he um, eating.
Okay, very good. He is eating. And who is with Timmy?
Take me, mom, and take me, dad.
Okay, so can you tell teacher Kai, where are they?
They are in the restaurant.
Okay, very good. So they are in a restaurant. Okay, so I will ask you again. What can you see in this picture, Lam?
I can see Timmy, dad, and Timmy, dad, Timmy, mom.
Okay, and what are they doing? And what are they doing, Lam? They
Uh,
are
eating
okay. Where? Where? Where are they eating, Lam? Hello?
hello
Yes, where are they eating? They are eating in.
restaurant.
Okay, that is correct. So, Timmy is with his dad and her mom eating in the restaurant. Okay? Okay, so again, your turn, Lam. What can you see in this picture?
I can see Timmy, mom, and Timmy, dad,
Eating?
eating in
Where?
the
In?
restaurant.
Okay, in the restaurant. Very good. So, what can you see on the table?
I can see bread, meat, apple pie,
Wow, apple pie?
turkey,
Okay,
tur-
very good.
turkey salad, fish, uh, and I don't know.
Oh, and you don't know. So there is a lot of food on the table, right? Many food on the table. Okay, so let's have this one. Okay, let's read. Let's start with this one, please, Lamb.
Flyer.
Okay, what is a flyer? Okay, flyer is a.
Small piece of paper with information on it about a product or event.
Okay, so a flyer contains information. Oh, okay. Now look at the picture. Which one is a flyer?
Pick the number one.
Okay, it's picture number one. Okay, very good. So, have you ever seen a flyer? Have you ever seen a flyer?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so so you have seen a flyer. So now let's move on with this one. This is
Tasty.
okay, tasty. So what is tasty? Okay, hello, Lam. What is tasty?
Used to describe food that has a good flavor and is nice to eat.
Okay, so tasty means it's yummy, it's delicious, and it is nice to eat. Tasty. Yummy. Okay? Okay, Lam?
Yeah.
Okay, now look at the picture beside the noodles. Okay, look at this one. What is this? Do you know this food? That is a
That is
okay, that is
okay.
a pizza. Hello?
Enough.
Okay. Are you still with teacher Kai? What is this? This is very a lot of text. Okay. You like brain rot? Okay, so look at the picture. Is it tasty or not?
Is not.
Okay, it's not. So why is it not? Why it is not tasty? Hello. Dom?
Uh,
Dom, are you there? Teacher Kai is waiting for your answer. Can you tell me why is not tasty? Why is the
because
pizza?
it look not
Because it looks
not
oh, okay. Because it looks like not tasty. Okay. So, how about this one? We have the word
mm, spicy.
okay, spicy. So, what is spicy? It is used to describe
You to describe food with a strong of flavor.
okay, a hot flavor. Okay, can you turn on your video, Lam, so Teacher Kai can see you? Where are you? Hello? Teacher Kai needs to see you so that we can have a better class.
Huh?
Turn on your video, your camera, so I can see you. Okay, there you Okay, there you are. Okay, stop closing your camera, okay? So let's have this one again. What is spicy? What is spicy? Spicy is
Uh, the, you to describe the picture number two.
okay, it's picture number two. So it is a food having a taste of very strong or hot flavor. Okay, it is very hot. Do you like spicy food, Lam?
No.
No. Okay. What kind of food do you like? What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is Graves.
Hmm?
It's Graves.
Gravis?
Yes.
Okay. Can you
It's
type it?
delicious.
Huh?
It's delicious.
Oh, it's delicious. Okay, good to know. Now we have this one lamb. Let's have this one. This is
Curry.
curry. Okay, very good.
Curry.
Okay, what is curry?
The curry.
Okay, what is curry? It is a
Is
type of food.
a type of food made with meat, vegetables, and half pie.
Okay, and hot spices. Okay, very good. So now let's have a quick review again. So what is a flyer? Okay, hello, what is a flyer?
It's a paper.
Yes, a piece of paper having what
Huh?
is inside of the flyer?
Formation.
Okay, very good. So again, what is a flyer?
Uh, is ah
Okay, a flyer is a piece of paper having information. Okay, now this one, this is what is tasty?
mm, mm,
Tasty is yummy, delicious. Okay?
yes.
Yes, okay. So before we move on, can you show teacher Kai both of your hands? Can you show teacher Kai both of your hands, Lam? Okay, can you sit down properly so I can see you? Okay, go sit down. Okay, let's shake up our hands. Shake, 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 shake. Hello, shake your hands. Okay. Do you know how to play this one? Rock,
No.
paper, scissors, shoe.
Huh?
Okay, let's try. Let's play. One, two, three. Hello.
Hello?
Hello. Okay, let's have a game. Rock, paper, scissors. Shoo. Where's your? I can. Ah, you're cheating. Move again. Okay, one more time. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe.
Huh?
Shoe. Where's your? Ah, you're cheating again. Oh, is that cheating?
No.
Okay, so glad that you are very happy with our game. So let's have this one. Let's have a story, Lamb. Let's read. Mom and Dad.
Mom, Dad, and Emma are Jimmy and Timmy are talking about where to have dinner.
Okay. And then,
And then, what do you want for dinner, Timmy? You know I'm not good at cooking. Me neither. How about we go to a restaurant instead?
hey,
Good idea, Mom brought back some restaurant flyers yesterday. Let's take a look. Uh, oh, this restaurant looks pretty good. The chef makes the food very tasty.
okay. Hmm.
Ah, and then restaurant and then food is usually spicy. Really, look at the red curry. It isn't spicy at all. The curry, oh no, that's too expensive. Come on, Jimmy. You are the best brother in the world. Okay, just this once. I will treat you. Hooray! Thank you so much. I can't wait to eat curry.
Okay, wow, very good. You are very good at reading. Okay, can you tell me, Lamb, what was the story all about? What happened to the story? Ah, what happened to the story you just read? Okay, I'll give you a hint. Timmy and Jimmy are talking about what? Oh no. You didn't understand what you read? Okay, so Timmy and Jimmy are talking about where to eat, right? Okay, hello, Long.
Hello.
Okay, so Timmy and Jimmy are talking about what? They are talking about where to eat, right?
Yes.
Okay, so where did they want where what is Timmy want to eat? He wants to eat what? Timmy wants to eat?
Uh, what curry?
Okay. So Timmy wants to eat a curry. Okay, and curry is what is the flavor of the curry? Is it sweet? Bitter. Curry is
Curry is too expensive.
expensive and
And
it's expensive and spicy. Spicy. Oh no.
oh, that curry is spicy.
Yes, okay. Okay.
What curry? That what curry is spicy.
Ah, okay. So now let's have this one again. Let's answer number one. Chili peppers.
Chili pepper make this dish tasty.
Hmm, tasty? Are you sure?
The spicy.
Okay, better. Spicy. Number two. The waitress.
The waitress hand out a flyer.
Very good. Number three.
Many indeed and meals are cooked with the cook
Okay. Okay, number one, your answer was spicy. Okay. Number two is flyer. Okay. So number one, is it spicy or is it tasty?
um
Okay, peppers makes the dish tasty. Okay, and number three will be, what was that?
uh,
Okay, so many Indian meals are cooked with
spicy.
and coconut milk. And lastly, mom,
Mom made very um, 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 um,
okay, so Lamb, our time is up. Okay?
yes,
Okay, yes. Okay, are you glad with Teacher Kai? Are you happy with Teacher Kai?
yes.
Okay, yes. So, thank you for your wonderful performance today and see you again next time. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye, Lam.
Okay, bye.